You could do this by hand if you want, but the easiest way is just to use a calculator and type it in exactly how it looks. One thing the calculator will not show us is open circles versus closed circles unless you use tables. So let's first go and graph this. We're missing here, this should have an F. Let's put that F in there. All right, so let's go to graph and, the graph here. And so to get piecewise, it's the button next to 9, and then you look over here, and here's the options. Now we want it was 3 equations, so I'm going to press that. And it'll ask us, yes, we want 3 pieces. And so the first equation, I believe, was negative x minus 2. And that is true whenever x is less than or equal to negative 2. So we come over here and put x, and do control equals, get the symbol, is less than negative 2. Let me check, was it less than or equal to? So I actually need to change that symbol. It was less than or equal to negative 2. And then we go to the second equation, which is negative parentheses x squared minus 4. And that's true when x is in between negative 2 and 3, but not equal to either value. So we put negative 2 less than x, which is less than 3. So I'm typing in the equation exactly as it appears in the test. And now the next question was, or next value was negative 6 when x is greater than or equal to 3. So negative 6 when x is greater than or equal to 3. I press enter, and there's my picture. And as you can see, there is a gap in between these 2 pieces. So I come over here to my pictures, and I know I can eliminate this one because that gap is not present, and this one. So it must be one of these 2 pictures. Now I just need to figure out, do I have an open circle there, or which one is defined, which one's undefined? So here's what you do. You're going to look at the table. We can see that the x is here, is 3. So we're going to go to the table and see when x is 3, what's our y value? So when I press over here, press Control T, and I'm looking for when x is 3, y is negative 6. So when x is 3, y is negative 6. Now on this graph, it says when x is 3, y, this is the black dots where it actually exists, is negative 6. This one looks pretty good. But over here, it says when x is 3, y is negative 5. It does not include it on this point, it includes it up there. So this graph is wrong for this reason. So that's what makes this one wrong. So the answer would be B. This one has 3, negative 6.